Oh, music to my ears. Oh my God. Keith, let's hit that accelerator. Hey guys, Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you. Another cool episode of What's in Your Garage, only here on Muscle Cars with Eric. And today I'm in Northwest Valley of Phoenix and really close to the White Tank Mountains out here. And it's absolutely a gorgeous, beautiful day. And I have an opportunity to see a buddy of mine's Shelby AC Cobra. So let's see if he's home. All right, knock, knock, knock. Okay. I know I have the right time. I have the right address. Let's see if he's home. Try it again. Check this out. All right, we have success here. Oh my! And there's a car, and I told you it was a Cobra. And there's my buddy Keith. Keith, what's happening, man?
How you doing, Eric?
Good, buddy. Good seeing you again. Thank you so much. You know, I'm doing so good. Ran into you at a car show a couple weeks ago, and then again today. And today we confirmed. And this is your baby car right here.
That is the one and only.
Oh man, this is such a cool car. And you know, obviously the episode is what's in your garage, and we know what's in your garage. But because it's in a garage, I guess we have to pull out of the garage to do what we want to do with it. So
that is right.
Yeah.
I hate pulling it out of the garage. It's such a bad experience.
Well, why don't you share with our viewers the bad experience by firing the sucker up so we can hear what it sounds like, man?
All right.
Oh, music to my ears. Oh my God. Keith, let's hit that accelerator a little bit. Right on, man. All right, buddy. Let's go ahead and pull her out. All right, everybody, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric, and I have my friend Keith here. And Keith, we met a few weeks ago, and you have a Cobra here, and you've always wanted a Cobra. So how long ago did you buy this car?
I bought this about 5 months ago.
All right,
Found
no
it
kidding.
locally here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Actually found it on Facebook Marketplace.
No way.
Yeah.
How cool.
Notified the guy, and he told me to come look at it. I took him money and drove it home.
That's pretty cool, man. I like that. That's a good story.
I wasn't going to pass it up. It's perfect color, exactly what I was looking for.
Nice. Now, this color you mentioned off camera, let me show this color here, folks. This color is actually, you said, a Porsche color. And what does Porsche call this color?
It's called slate gray.
Slate gray. That's a really cool. It's striking. It's so neat looking.
It seems to be the attraction. Everybody says about the colors, first thing they notice, so it draws them to it. So
that's pretty cool. Now let's take a look at this. And you're running some pretty good size tires up here.
Yeah, they're
it's staggered size.
They're a little bit smaller in front. Not
Okay.
small, but smaller in the back.
Roger that. Okay.
It's got the replica knockoffs. It's got the regular lug bolts, but it's got the covers over it to make it look like the knockoffs.
Oh, that's cool.
Kind of a theft deterrent, you know. They knock it off thinking you're getting the wheels. They better have a lug wrench too.
Right. Yep. I got you there, man. Yeah, because don't the knockoffs use like a rubber mallet or something like that
You
to?
just knock that off, and they're on 4 pins. And you
Okay.
pull them off.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Right on. Look at
Easy
this.
to get them off.
And look at those side pipes right here, man.
And those will wake you up if you drag your leg across them.
Yeah, I'll bet. We talked about a little bit about that, and that's kind of like a nice experience for second-degree burns, isn't it?
That's right. I got the snake bite on the back of the leg here.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Dang, you do, man.
Yep.
That ain't no good. Look at this. This has just got the real deal mirrors. Everything with it. Now, I have to say, we didn't intend on doing this, but I accidentally followed you. Well, I didn't accidentally. I was coming out here from the car show, and I followed you here, and I'm like, oh, I'll be able to ride with him. And next thing you know, you're like, shoo,
It doesn't take long.
down the
to
road.
disappear.
And it was cool. I'm like, wow, that is so neat. You open this up for us?
Sure. And just so you know, that wasn't really going fast.
No, I know. I know. Look at this. Leather door hinge stripe. Nice racing pedals there. You have 4-point. Actually, you have the 5-point harness in there. That's really good.
What I like about it is it's not a perfect car. It's a driver. It's
Right.
never hauled anywhere. It's got 12,000 miles on it now, something like
Does
that.
it really? How many did it have on it when you bought it?
It had about 8 when I bought it.
Okay, so you do drive it then. Good for you.
Yeah, the guy that I got it from built it in 2007 out of a Mustang. So it was kind of a budget build at the time. He moved out here about 2 years ago. He took it to a company in Maricopa and had it rebuilt.
Okay.
So it's all repowered, fresh engine, everything's fresh on it.
Oh, no kidding.
Repainted. So the second time it was built was a couple years ago.
That's pretty cool. Now, what is the build of this? You said Factory 5?
Factory 5.
That's awesome. They are legendary for building super high quality stuff.
Right.
And you bought already built, you said?
Correct.
Okay.
I always wanted to build one, but, you know, time constraints, money constraints, and now I just want to drive it. I don't want to build the thing.
I don't blame you.
I've seen a lot of people build them for years, and
they never end up driving.
I want to drive it for years.
Good for you. That's cool. Now, that original style, isn't it? Yeah, that's
it does have a regular cap under it.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So,
now, why do you have that? Just for security purposes? That was just the way it was designed.
modern day.
Okay.
It's easier.
Oh, yeah. I'll bet.
Because this does have a Mustang fuel tank in it with the vents and all that, so you got to have it.
Oh, I see. Okay. It has to be sealed or whatever it is. Okay, I got you. Man, look at this. This is so nice, man. Look at this. This is just so cool. And the thing I like most about it is the fact that you're able to drive it and you enjoy driving it.
Right.
I mean, that's the reason for having a car like this, isn't it? To drive it?
Yeah, you go to gas stations, it takes you 20 minutes to get gas because everybody wants to talk and see it, lift the hood.
And do selfies and stuff. Yeah. That's so cool,
It's
man.
just nice that everybody else can enjoy it too.
Good for you, dude. That's a great attitude to have. Look at this. The detail in this is really good. This is just really a sharp car.
I just replaced the windshield.
Did you?
With a polycarbonate. It's plastic. It's not a glass windshield.
So it's not going to snap. Because out this way, we have gravel everywhere here in Arizona.
Right.
So you're not going to have to worry about that. It'll glance off, right?
Well, and these cars flex and you'll see the windshield frame move a little bit. And I had it a month and I hit a bump and it flexed and the windshield cracked.
Really? And
I was going to put another one in. They said, "No, try the plastic one. They'll never break."
That's a good idea.
So far, it's been pretty good.
Well, that's cool. I like the mouth of these. I mean, it's just got that aggressive, come here, let me breathe air kind of an attitude, doesn't it?
I've always liked the ones that had the little jack hooks on them. And then when I saw this one, it has the loop and the little bumperettes. I just like that now. I don't even know why the little hooks are there.
Right.
They're kind of silly looking.
Right.
When you look at this.
Yep, exactly. I think the hooks were purpose driven, weren't they?
For racing, they were, you'd put a jack under it and raise it up.
Yep. Okay.
But with the way the kits are, they're not hooked to anything that would lift the car.
Oh, I see. Okay.
There's just looks.
Interesting. Okay. And talk about looks, man. This is, I mean, wow. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the car. We heard the car start. And I suppose the next course of action is to take the car for a run down the road?
If we have to, I guess we can.
Well, the audience kind of wants it. You don't mind?
Talk me into it.
All right, brother. Thanks, dude. All right. All right, you heard that, folks. Stick around because we're going to go. All right, pay attention, Eric. Okay, we're getting ready to take off now in this car. We're going to do a test run. Well, actually, you've driven a lot, haven't you, Keith?
A couple times.
Yeah, a couple times. I like this guy's sense of humor. Anyhow, we're getting ready to balance, and I'll tell you, beautiful day. Look at it. No clouds in the sky, 80-some degrees. You ready to rock?
Ready.
All right. All right, guys, Eric, we're getting ready to rock and roll in this Cobra here. And so hang on to your seatbelts, man. All right. So, Keith, tell me, what's the most fun about driving this car?
Probably everything.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I can show you right now if you want to see.
Let's rock and roll. That's respectable fun. You saw that, right? You saw that, right? Woo! Dang, man, that was cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching that last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.